Hello everyone, welcome to EnggClasses YouTube channel for a video lecture series on digital signal processing. In this video we'll consider a numerical on a high pass filter and band pass filter. The task is, it has been given a low pass prototype HP of S, which is equal to 1 divided by S plus 1. And we need to determine the high pass filter with the cutoff frequency of 40 radians per second and determine the band pass filter with the center frequency of 100 radians per second and bandwidth of 20 radians per second. So it's one of the easiest numericals. Only thing is we must know the frequency transformation techniques so that we can design the required filters. So let me consider the solution. We are going to consider the first one, wherein we are going to determine the high pass filter. And it's been said that the cutoff frequency omega c is equal to, it is given as 40 radians per second. So now whatever it is been given is low pass filter and we have to get high pass filter. For this we need to use low pass to high pass frequency transformation. So let me write the same thing, low pass to high pass frequency transformation, which says that every S need to be replaced with omega divided by S. Is that okay? So in the expression, every S need to be replaced with omega divided by S. So omega, we know it has been given as 40 divided by S. The task is, therefore HA of S, this is the transfer function of the required filter, is equal to HP of S. This is the transfer function of the prototype low pass filter. In this expression, I need to replace every S with 40 divided by S. Is that correct? So if I do that, I'm going to get a high pass filter. So if I do that, the expression was it has been given HA of S, HP of S 1 divided by S plus 1. So now I am going to write 1 divided by S. In place of S, I am going to put 40 divided by S. 1 divided by S plus 1. So now just take the simple LCM and simplify it further so that we are going to get the transfer function of a high pass filter. So take S as the LCM and take it to the numerator. We are going to get S, that gets divided by 40 plus S. So I'm going to write S plus 40. So this is the transfer function of a high pass filter with the given cutoff frequency. A simple numerical. Similarly, let me consider the second one, where in the second one it says that to design a bandpass filter. So how do I design the bandpass filter? So now I need to apply low pass to bandpass frequency transformation technique. Before that, let me write the specifications that have been given. The center frequency is being given, I guess. Yes, center frequency of 100 radians per second. I'll denote that as omega naught equal to 100 radians per second, and a bandwidth is also been given which is 20 radians per second. So let me write the bandwidth B is equal to 20 radians per second. So these are the specifications that are being given. So now I need to apply low pass to band pass low pass to band pass frequency transformation. Low pass to band pass frequency transformation. So if I apply, what I'm going to get, that I need to see it now. So every S need to be replaced with S square plus omega U into omega L, that gets divided by S into bracket omega U minus omega L, which can be simplified as S square plus omega naught square in terms of center frequency. that gets divided by S. Omega u minus omega L is nothing but the bandwidth. I will write it as B. And we must also know that omega naught, where, so let me write, where omega naught is equal to square root of omega u into omega L. But in the numerical, in the formula, we need omega u into omega L. To get that, I have to square it. That is why I get omega naught square. Is the center frequency. So let me write is the center frequency. And what is the bandwidth? It is B equal to, I said the bandwidth is omega u minus omega L is the bandwidth, is the bandwidth. So now we know all those things. I can substitute and I can get the bandpass filter. Therefore, S need to be replaced with S square plus omega u into omega L. Center frequency, whatever it is being given, omega naught is 100, but we need to put omega naught square. 100 square is nothing but 10,000. So we are going to get 10,000. That gets divided by S into B, and B we got bandwidth is being given as 20 radians per second, so it is 20 S. So ultimately every S need to be replaced with S square plus 10,000 divided by 20 S, so that we are going to get a bandpass filter. Therefore HA of S is equal to, so here HP of S, wherein every S need to be replaced with S square plus 10,000 divided by 20 S. Is that correct? Therefore HA of S is going to be 1, that gets divided by S plus 1. So in place of S I am going to put S square plus 10,000 divided by 20 S plus 1. So just need to simplify this further so that we get the transfer function of a bandpass filter. Take the LCM as 20S and take it to the numerator, and we are going to get 20S in the numerator. That gets divided by S square plus 10,000 plus 20S. So let me write 20S first. 20S plus 10,000. So this is the transfer function of a bandpass filter with the given frequency specifications. I hope everyone has understood that because I have solved this numerical step by step. I hope there are no doubts. If there are still any doubts, please let me know them onto the comment section. I would definitely address those doubts. Meanwhile, subscribe to our channel EnggClasses for more videos on digital signal processing. Till then, thank you everyone for watching.